Welcome to Fort Campbell, Kentucky. My name is Mary Young. I am the Relocation Assistant with Army Community Service Relocation Readiness Program. ACS Relocation is here to help you plan for your military move. We have information and resources to help you and your family navigate the process. Living without your household goods? We can help. The ACS Lending Closet temporarily lends basic household items to those soldiers and families transitioning to Fort Campbell. You can connect with us virtually by visiting the Welcome Packet website below, or you can contact us at the information you see on the screen below. We hope to personally meet you at the weekly Soldiers and Family Newcomers orientation on Thursday at Cole Park Commons. Again, welcome to Fort Campbell and enjoy your assignment at Fort Campbell.